Are you suffering from tension, pain or stiffness in your back and searching for an effective and easy to follow workout? Look no further, because in this video we'll introduce you to a fusion of White Tiger Qigong and Pilates that can help address your back issues. So sit tight and keep on watching. Welcome everyone, my name is Bastian, and as a White Tiger Qigong and Pilates instructor, I would like to share with you some highly effective exercises with the objective to help you to prevent or reduce back pain. Similar to the practice of Qigong, Pilates has experienced a surge in popularity as it offers effective techniques to enhance core strength, muscle development, tendon flexibility and fascia health. With the focus on concentrated effort and awareness, Pilates integrates the breath to guide movements and maximize results. By integrating these exercises into your routine, you can prevent injuries and you improve your overall physical well-being. However, before we continue, it's essential to consult with a health professional and discontinue any exercise causing discomfort or pain. If you have any questions or ideas, please don't hesitate to like this video and leave a comment down below. So now let's dive into these exercises and discover how combining White Tiger Qigong and Pilates can promote a healthier and more pain-free back. So we begin with San Chuan, a practice that calms the mind and relaxes the body. To start, assume a straight posture with both feet hip-width apart, firmly grounded on the floor, about 10% tension. Rest your hands on your lower abdomen, stacking the palms on top of each other. Men should place the right hand over the left, while women should do it the opposite way. Direct your breath down to your lower belly, expanding it in all directions. Inhale through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth, as if blowing out through a straw. Maintain your focus on the lower dantian and sustain your posture. Next, we move on to the cleansing breath. Engage in the 3-stage balloon filling breath technique. Inhale deeply, starting from the belly all the way up, filling the lungs completely. As you exhale, begin emptying the lungs, gradually closing the rib cage down to the belly, releasing any stress, anxiety or sickness. With each inhalation, visualize healing energy entering your body, and as you exhale, imagine all that you wish to eliminate dissipating as smoke, vanishing into the far reaches of the universe. For the sake of this video, we keep it short, but feel free to pause and continue practicing any of these exercises at your own pace. Now let's transition to lying down on a mat. Maintain a neutral spine while bending the knees, either keeping them together or at hip-width distance. Position your arms alongside your body and begin directing your breath into the belly. Similar to Qigong, it's important to maintain your focus on the lower abdomen or center as we engage in the workout. Next, we proceed with the pelvic tilts to gently warm up the lower back. Begin by rocking the hips forward and backwards. Inhale as you perform an anterior pelvic tilt, gently arching the back, then exhale as you transition to a posterior pelvic tilt. This exercise serves as a useful foundation for learning the wave or dragon back, which is part of the White Tiger 8-trigram Qigong set. Remember to aim for a state of relaxation and avoid excessive muscular tension while practicing this exercise. Now let's shift our focus to spine mobility. Begin by rolling the spine up, starting from the hips and aligning the shoulders, hips and knees. Then slowly roll back down, articulating each vertebra. Take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, roll the spine up again. Inhale at the top and exhale as you gradually roll back down. During this movement, try closing your eyes and visualize your spine, fostering a strong neuromuscular connection as you execute the Pilates exercises to achieve optimal performance. Now, this exercise offers numerous benefits and is particularly beneficial for individuals with stiff backs. It is also advantageous for those who spend long hours at the desk, as it helps strengthen the glutes and core muscles while providing a pleasant stretch to the hip flexors when in elevated position. So please exercise caution and avoid overextending your back while performing this exercise. Now let's explore an example of a modification that complements your spine mobility work. As you engage in these exercises, you can simultaneously incorporate the balloon filling breath technique to enhance your lung capacity. Aim to synchronize your movements with your breath, creating a smooth and harmonious flow throughout the practice. Now we put a focus to core strength and stabilization. It is crucial to maintain a neutral spine throughout the following exercises. To achieve this, you can use a small towel or a rolled up object placed below your lumbar spine, gently pressing against it. Ensure that your ribcage aligns with your hips to enable the core muscles to effectively protect your spine. From this neutral position, you can attempt to lift one or both legs while maintaining the alignment. Please avoid arching your back as demonstrated here, as it can lead to discomfort or pain in the back region. If you are unable to perform these movements without pain, it is advisable to discontinue and consult a healthcare professional. Therefore, stay mindful of your alignment and concentrate on maintaining proper form to achieve the best possible results. So in the first level of this exercise, we will lift one leg and then lower it back down. Throughout this movement, focus on engaging your core muscles to maintain a neutral spine. Hold the knee at 90-degree angle, initiating the movement from your hip joint. Exhale as you lift the leg and inhale as you bring it back down. As you perform this exercise, direct your breath into your back, into the kidney area. This breathing technique aids in stabilizing the ribcage and maintaining proper alignment. Moving on to the next level, we will work with both legs in tabletop position. As you inhale, lower one leg down and exhale as you lower the other leg. Then inhale as you bring one leg back to tabletop and exhale as you do the same with the other leg. Throughout this exercise, ensure that the angle of your knee remains at 90 degrees. It is important to maintain a neutral position for your spine and hips by engaging your core muscles. Remember to focus on these key points to perform the exercise correctly and effectively. As demonstrated, maintain a consistent focus on breathing deep into the center of your body, particularly into the spacious region of your back. It's crucial to avoid forcefully manipulating the breath. Instead, aim for controlled and fluid inhalations and exhalations. Throughout the exercise, make a conscious effort to relax your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension. Stay connected with your center and initiate the movement from that core point, ensuring a sense of control throughout the practice. Let's proceed to the next exercise. Begin in a tabletop position, and as you inhale, lower one leg. Exhale as you return the leg back to tabletop position. Repeat this movement with the other leg. Now feel free to continue with these exercises as long as you can maintain a neutral spine position. The demonstrated levels can assist you in progressively strengthening your core and developing a deeper comprehension of the interconnectedness between spine stability and hip mobility during exercise. For instance, consider the crane movement from the 5-element Qigong, where the objective is to keep the spine and hips stable while standing on one leg, lifting the other. It's important to perceive the legs and arms as extensions of the core. Poor core control can lead to movement inefficiencies, impacting the overall quality of your movements. Now we start with the wave, a foundational exercise of White Tiger Qigong. Engage the power of your feet by pushing into the ground as if preparing to jump. Begin a gentle thrust of your pelvis forward, tucking in your tailbone and feeling the contraction in your lower spine. Continue the motion, allowing your spine to roll forward gradually, moving up towards the top. As you do so, your chest arches forward while your tailbone moves backward, mimicking the act of sitting on a chair. Repeat this fluid sequence, maintaining a continuous flow of movement. Keep your breathing relaxed and natural. It's recommended to focus on mastering the movement before integrating the breathing technique. As you perform the exercise, imagine a wave rolling up through your spine, providing a gentle internal massage to your kidneys and intestines. The wave exercise improves flexibility and strength in the back while offering various health benefits such as promoting spinal fluid movement, aiding digestion and elimination, and supporting brain health. By practicing the wave Qigong slowly and consciously, we develop better control and sensitivity towards the fascia, enhancing its condition. This leads into increased flexibility, strength and stability in the back, aligning with Taoist principles of suppleness for longevity. With the dragon whip sit still, we apply the principles of the wave exercise to the mechanics of the back, incorporating arm movement. So start with palms facing up at the waist, initiating the wave up the spine. Rotate the palms behind you, Inhale while opening the shoulders outward. As the arms come around to the front, exhale and bring them together, compressing the lungs. Repeat the sequence. This combined movement of the arms and dragon back is particularly effective for improving the arm lines and relieving upper back stiffness. It mobilizes the dorsal spine through the spinal and arm movements, promoting flexibility. In addition to the benefits of the wave Qigong, this exercise offers more advantages. It increases lung workload, benefits those with shoulder issues or past injuries, improves shoulder mobility and coordination, and stretches the wrist and arm joints. It stimulates Qi flow from the core to the arms and contributes to a supple spine, supporting longevity. Now you will observe 3 levels of arm movements: abdominal, chest and head levels, targeting the 3 dantians. These movements focus on the lower, middle and upper dantians, allowing you to cultivate awareness in each region and fill them with Qi energy. To finish our practice, step back to hip-width position. As you raise your hands towards the sky, envision gathering the abundant energy and guide it gently towards your lower dantian. Next, bring your palms to hip level, allowing your arms to round gracefully as you transition into the four-gate breathing position. Focus your attention on your lower dantian while inhaling and shift your awareness to your palms and feet as you exhale. This conscious connection between your lower dantian, palms and feet can be sustained for as long as you desire. To complete a workout, once again bring your hands upward and slowly lower them back to your lower abdomen, allowing the energy to settle and integrate with your being. Now there are several factors that can contribute to back pain, including poor posture, prolonged sitting, motor control dysfunctions, stress and muscle imbalances. Achieving a balance between a flexible and stable spine is crucial for maintaining a healthy back. Individuals who are hyperflexible should prioritize stability exercises, while those with stiffness should focus on more flexibility exercises. Incorporating practices like White Tiger Qigong and Pilates can be beneficial for improving both flexibility and stability. Furthermore, Pilates can serve as a highly effective tool to cultivate a profound understanding on how the body works, facilitating the learning process of the White Tiger Qigong movements. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below so you let us know what videos you enjoy so we can make more of them. So please subscribe, click the bell notification. We put out content every week, and by subscribing you will be sure not to miss any new video. And if you would like to see more content like this in the future, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I wish you a good day.